What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. And today I'm going to talk about how to make easy money on Amazon being a YouTuber, pretty much. It's typically not that bad. It's easy. You start off slow, and that's where I am right now. But once you get there, then you start making money pretty easily, and it's quick steps that I'm going to show you in today's video. So let's dive right in. Okay, so I'm pretty much going to obviously record. I'm actually going to screen record. I'm going to put that up on the screen in a little bit, but pretty much what you're going to do is you're going to go to, if you don't have it, you're going to just type in Amazon, I guess you can say influencers, and do it that way too. Spelled that wrong. There we go. So you're going to first open up your Amazon influencer program. If you're not an influencer, you're just going to hit get started, connect with YouTube real-time approval. It's pretty quick, but once you do get approved and you are an Amazon influencer, I'm going to sign in. So I'm using my MTG Productions, my YouTube channel, as obviously this. Now I just started, not making that much, but if you look at it, obviously in this month I made $4.52. Now, if you're asking, how does he make that? Well, I'll show you. All right, so it's pretty much looking like this. When we go to view full report, or instead of doing that, we can go back. So total items shipped. Pretty much what you do is you're going to go to your YouTube channel, all right? So let's go to my YouTube channel. And let's click on YouTube Studio. Let's go to videos, and I'll show you how to do it exactly. Okay, so let's go to my latest video, the OnePlus Watch at the time of this recording. See how I type equipment and products I use. I have all the equipment and products I use, or at least they're in my videos, and I do affiliate links. That's the most important thing here, affiliate links. All you gotta do is create your own link, and then maybe make a video about that product that you're using, and then just leave it in the description down below of your link so people can click on it and obviously purchase it. Now, what I started to notice was some of the shipments that are made that I got a small portion out of, they were from my own products, but other ones were from products I never even put up. So it seems like people are clicking on my affiliate links and then just browsing Amazon and obviously purchasing other items that I get a small proportion out of, because it's because of me that they clicked there and found other products. So that's pretty much how it works. Amazon Associates Central, or Amazon Influencer Program, is going to be your new best friend when you're trying to do affiliate links. So let's go to Influencer, manage my storefront. So here is my URL, and I am going to leave that in the description down below as well so you can check it out. So this is a private view of mine. It's pretty much the same layout as the YouTube channel, but right here it's pretty much what I use. And a lot of people have been asking me about this case right here, and I obviously put it up there. But these are all the other products I use. I got the Canon T7i, got my tripod here, the Galaxy Watch, the Moto 1 Active, the OnePlus 7 Pro, the Sony WH-1000 XM3s, my, what's this guy called? My mic, and then my mic for my camera, Pokemon Sword and Shield, the dock that I use for my charging my phone, the light set that I use. So pretty much everything that I use for the channel, I do leave here. Now what you'd want to do here pretty much, so let's say I go to home and I want to create a link. So what I would do is I would type in, let's say, OnePlus 6, just because. Okay, so we found the OnePlus 6T, it was renewed, get link. And this is what I usually do. I hit text only, short link, I highlight the HTML, I copy it, and then I would usually go back to my YouTube channel or whatever video I'm creating and then just obviously type it in there. And that's how I create my affiliate links. It is pretty simple. Now when we go back to home, let's go back to home. So like I said, I just started off. So in the month of January, as of this recording, I did make $4.52. But if you do total, I believe I made like somewhere around $9. Total ordered items 4. So you can get shipped items. I got more shipped items, but excuse me, I got more ordered items, but you have to get those items shipped to get a small proportion from what you're making. I had 303 clicks, so that's not bad. I don't think that's bad for me. In total, I had in the last 30 days 558. So when we look at here, the yellow is the ordered items, right? So I did have a couple at the end of December, but obviously those weren't shipped. The shipped ones pretty much show, where are they? Shipped ones pretty much show when you get like this green bar with earnings. Because you notice I got order items here, and then order items here as well, but they're also shipped. And the conversion for me is 1.25. Not bad. I mean, I'm just starting off. But if you guys want to support the channel, pretty much everything I leave in the description down below is affiliate links. Just keep that in mind, but it does help out the channel and helps me bring more content to viewers like you guys. But if we want to do instead of last 30 days, we do custom range. And for me, let's do November 1st. In total, $8.48. Not bad. Not bad. Just because I'm still working on how to grow Amazon affiliate links and obviously making more from the links, attaching them to my YouTube videos and things like that. But when you start this, pretty much Amazon Associate Central, Amazon Storefront is going to be your best friend. And you can obviously make an affiliate link for something like headphones or something like a SD card, something simple. And you can make a video on it and be like, hey, be sure to check out my link in the description down below. And this is just it kind of ties in with YouTube because you're not really putting in more extra effort, you're just creating a quick link and putting it in your video description. That's pretty much it. You don't need to do anything more. Obviously, when you're first creating your storefront, I kind of made it look like my YouTube channel. So I got the profile picture same as my channel, description, tech, and how-tos same as my YouTube channel. Although I think I might have to change this background right over here. Anyway, right here it'll say, for me it says, MTG Productions earns money from the storefront. Obviously not a lot, but it's there. And as you grow with your YouTube channel, the more you grow, the more you're going to make on Amazon, without a doubt. And you can obviously share this on your other social media websites, and that's going to help you make more as well. But for me, total, I made $8.48. Did I get this money yet? No, because you need to make at least $10 for Amazon to send that to you. For YouTube, it's at least $100. But for Amazon, it's at least $10. So every $10, they're going to be sending it to you. So I'm almost there. But for me, what I'm going to do with the Amazon earnings is save up. And once it starts to grow, I'm going to put in that into more products to use, and that's going to help the channel out. So pretty much I'm going to invest back into Amazon products, or obviously products for the channel. But for now, $8.48 for me, not bad. Just because I'm kind of late into the game, starting off way too late, because I was making videos way before, but I never used affiliate links. Just make sure that the Amazon account you're using kind of ties in with your YouTube channel, because I do have my personal Amazon account, and I started using links for that, but I'm like, hey, it's a totally different name. So when people check out my storefront, they want to see MTG, not just my personal account, or my personal storefront. So I kind of had to create a new account and change it from there. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.